How to create a Pokemon Go Trainer Club account on the Android phone. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your Google, and here you have to go on the Pokemon.com, and here if you already have an account, you can log in your account, and if you don't, you have to scroll down, and here is the option of the create an account. You have to click on it. Now once you are in, here is the fields that are required to fill out. Firstly, you have to add your username which you want to add. After that, you have to add the password, date of birth. Here is the country or the region, you have to add it and simply continue this. Now once you add it, here is the username, password. You have to confirm the password, and after you confirm the password, you have to add your email address and also confirm this. And here you have to add your screen name, and you love all of the terms and condition and click on the check availability. Now once you click on it, what you have to do is go on your Pokemon account or the game. Now once you're in here, you have to add that username and the password which you add in your Google login page. Once you add it, you are able to create an account in your Pokemon Go Trainer Club account.